Hi guys, today I will make deodorant. This is I lay out all the ingredients that we need to use in that recipe. The first I have emulsifying wax, shea butter, zinc oxide powder, tapioca starch powder, coconut oil, vegetable glycerin oil, apricot oil, vitamin E oil, and some essential oil. And I have tea tree essential oil, lemon, orange, and the empty jar for our final products. And you also need a measuring cup and a teaspoon and a tablespoon. And then I will put the ingredient that I need in that measuring cup. Like the emulsifying wax, shea butter, and oil. But the powder and the essential oil I will put at last. And now I start to put emulsifying wax 2 tablespoons. Shea butter also 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Glycerin oil 1 tablespoon. Apricot oil 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. And essential oil and the powder I'm not put it yet for now. And this is all that I mentioned to put in the cup. And now I bring to double boiler. In this pot I have some water. Before I gather all the ingredient, I already heat up my water to hot a little bit ahead. And then I place a cloth in here, and then I put the cup. The reason I put the cloth because I don't want my cup shake when the water start boiling. So the heat you can put low medium, like around the number 3 or 4. You don't have like to be very high heat. This is just let it wax and the shea butter melt. So now let it sit for a little bit while, and then start to stir until everything is melted. And the summer like the coconut oil is already melted, so a little bit easy, just only shea butter and the wax is solid. Now take me 4 to 5 minutes until it already melt, and then we start to the next step. The next step is we add the powder. The powder I add 2 heapy tablespoons of tapioca starch. But if you don't have tapioca starch, you can replace with the cornstarch. That's okay. But I have tapioca starch on hand, that's why I use it. But if you don't, you can use the starch that you have on hand. And the next I put 1 heapy tablespoon of zinc oxide powder. This, yeah, the heapy tablespoon. And then you stir it until the wax and the oil and the powder until well combined. You can, for now, you can turn off the heat and we ready to do the next step. The next step is we add some more oil and essential oil. This is the vitamin E oil. I put 1 tablespoon. Around 1 tablespoon, yes, and stir it until combined. Time to start the essential oil. I put tea tree oil, 20 drop. All of them I put 20 drop of each, and orange and lemon. But this is the essential oil that optional for you, but only this tea tree oil you have to have it. But the other two you can replace with something else, would be fine. But I love these three of combination. Tea tree I put 20 drop, lemon I put 20 drop, and orange 20 drop. Is all these three combined, it smells so good. Now my house is smell very good with this combination. And if you do it, it will depend on the weather. You can, play around with that ingredient. If the summer, I put the salted ingredient, like the solid ingredient, like shea butter and the wax. I put a little bit more than the oil, because the oil, if we put more than the wax, the summer is so hot, it will be liquidy. But at the winter, I put more oil, because like coconut oil is will be solid at the winter, so don't make your deodorant really hard to scoop and to use it. Yes, you can, play around with it, but just stick with all the ingredients that I mentioned for you. You just can adjust or reduce the amount, like wax and oil, by yourself. And then you have to pour into the container. The container, I prefer you use the dark container, because all the essential oil is very sensitive to the sunlight. If I put a dark container, is all the benefits. We will get all the benefit from there. And then after we pour it in the container, we let it sit for a while until it's already hot. But if you want to be fast, you can put, chill it in the fridge. It will be faster to solid. And now just waiting. And this is the final product that I have after let it sit for a while. And you can see the texture is not liquid or not like very solid. And the amount that I do is I make those two containers, so you can reduce the amount or add the amount if you want to do more or you want to do less. It's up to you. And I already do this the amount of recipe, so I have already have fresh deodorant, but these two last me for a while. I love it to do it myself. Thank you for watching. Look.